Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reach LinkedIn customer service. Whether you're experiencing technical issues, have questions about your account, or need help with a specific feature, knowing how to contact LinkedIn support directly can save you a lot of time and frustration. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need to access your account settings to find the support options. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a small circular image representing your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu is your gateway to several important settings and features within LinkedIn. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Help. This option is designed to provide you with access to LinkedIn's support resources and assistance center. Clicking it will redirect you to a page where LinkedIn offers various help topics and support channels. Now scroll down to the bottom of the help page. As you scroll, you'll see various help articles and frequently asked questions, but what we're looking for is direct contact with support. At the bottom of the page, you'll find an option that says Contact Us. Go ahead and click on it. This is where LinkedIn provides you with direct access to their customer service team. After clicking Contact Us, you'll be presented with two main options for reaching out to LinkedIn support. You can either click Chat with Support or create a support ticket. The chat option allows for real-time conversation with the support representative, while creating a ticket is better for non-urgent issues that can be resolved over email. Both methods are effective, so choose whichever suits your situation best. For this example, let's click Chat with Support. This will open up a chat interface where you can communicate directly with LinkedIn's help assistant. The chat feature is particularly useful when you need immediate assistance or want to have a back-and-forth conversation about your issue. Now, in the chat window that appears, type and send your problem or message to the help assistant. Be as specific and detailed as possible about the issue you're facing. The more information you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you effectively. The assistant will either help you directly or connect you with a live support agent who can address your concern. And that's it. You've successfully reached LinkedIn customer service and can now get the help you need with your account or any issues you're experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.